So here is wallpaper that I am doing in a powder room, quite a specific pattern. The problem with that is if you know that your room is not completely square and flush, here's a perfect example, especially like I said with this very specific pattern. When you try to tuck in inside corners, and if there's a slight degree difference going onto the next wall, the paper will not want to follow. So with here, you can see how there's no overlap on that inside corner. And so as you go up, up, and up, it's already drastically changing. And this is a huge problem with these types of pattern, because simply this room is not square. So I put a laser onto the corner just like that, and you can tell that's exactly how the laser was. It started off nice and centered in the bottom. As you go up, the laser starts to fade away onto the wall. So if you're picking out a wallpaper to fill up a whole room, such as a powder room, which is very popular these days, be sure to double check your measurements of your room. Make sure the corners are nice and leveled. But then again, sometimes you have no say in that, and you move into a house where it's already just like that. So if it is like that and you don't want to do any heavy construction on fixing the walls just to put on wallpaper, I would highly suggest picking a simple wallpaper pattern, or better yet, not even a pattern, as there are many different types of simple textures, different colors. So you can avoid this problem where she is not going to have a matching inside corner. So now what I'm going to have to do here is cut off that overlap. I was hoping it would match evenly, but it doesn't. So I'm going to have to cut this lip and take this left side off. And it's going to leave an awkward looking pattern. As much as I tried to mess with this, again, I really can't force a paper to lay in a way I want it to when it doesn't have the wall surface to do so. So yeah, be sure you double check the choice of wallpaper you choose, and it doesn't hurt to double check the measurements of your room you're trying to wallpaper. If you have any other questions, please call Dave at 847-553-1726.